Have you ever been out shooting instant photography and your photos are coming out looking like this? Well, what if I told you your photos could actually look like this? Well, that's where I come in. And I'm introducing a brand new, first of its kind masterclass that I'm calling Master the Art of Instant Photography. That's right, my long teased masterclass on instant photography is finally here. And in this course, we are going to go over all aspects of instant photography, from the film types that are currently on the market from Polaroid and Instax, the cameras from Polaroid and Instax. I'm going to show you how to shoot your photos indoors and outside on sunny days as well as overcast days. Shooting photos in different weather conditions, like a hot summer day to a cold winter day. And I even give my best recommendations for gear that I think you would need to get started. But this course isn't just for beginners. Oh, no. This has a little bit of something for everyone at all skill levels. And I didn't want to make this course just information stuck in the studio. No, I wanted to go out and do shooting demonstrations with the vital information that I give. I also wanted to make this extraordinarily affordable so anyone can get this information and get out there and shoot beautiful instant film photography. So what qualifies me to even do this course in the first place? Well, I've been shooting instant photography for the past 3-4 years or so, and I release 4 to 8 videos sometimes every single month over on my main YouTube channel. And I've learned what to do and definitely what not to do. And so I want to share everything that I've learned over the last 4 years so you don't make some of the mistakes that I did and you can get right to shooting the good stuff. And guess what? There's also going to be a live workshop included with the purchase of the masterclass. 1 week after the launch of the masterclass, you can join a live workshop that I'm hosting. I wanted to wait a week because that gives you some time to go out, shoot some photos, practice what you've learned in the course. And I'm sure as you're out there shooting, you're gonna have some questions. So write those down, have them ready to go, because you can join in a live stream and ask anything you want. And what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get the masterclass on instant photography, mastering the art of instant photography. No more wasting film. That costs money. So what are you waiting for? Wait, seriously, go right now. Go, check it out. Bye.